So we're going to try to demonstrate the current elasticity, okay? Which is, he's got quite a bit of fold there. So we'll see how that looks coming after the procedure. Okay, so we have here a brand new technology that we're using where we have a probe that's emitting radio frequency at a controlled temperature, so it's completely safe. Basically just subepidermal in the dermal space there. And basically we're going to use this probe to help increase collagen elastin directly under the skin for skin tightening and improvement in collagen elastin and just a better overall pull. So similar to what you might get with threading or a mini facelift, but just in a very natural way to basically elevate the face a little bit, give it a little bit more volume and anti-aging.